Hello, my name is Mike Amsbaugh. I'm with the Crawford County Veterans Service Office. I'm a service officer. And this video is just to cover how VA does math. So if you're service connected or someone you know is service connected, and by service connected I mean there was an injury, illness, or disease that was incurred in service that left a residual disability, and that veteran has filed a claim for compensation, service connected compensation. The VA has rated that, said it is service connected, and provided it or assigned a percentage. Then you may have questions about, well, why did I get, a 50 and a 30, but I'm only getting like 70% or 60%? Why doesn't the math add up? Or I've got all these service connected percentages, and according to my math, I'm 240% service connected. Why am I only getting 100? Well, 100 is the top. So service connected percentages go from 0 through 100. And for the purposes of this brief video, we're not going to talk about extra scheduler awards, but we're just going to talk about service connection. So 0 to 100, and each percentage has an assigned dollar value. When we're talking about multiple disabilities that are service connected, each one will have its own percentage, and then you'll have what's called a combined percentage, and that's after the VA does VA math, and you're adding together all of these percentages. So the VA doesn't add them together in the way that you may think that they add them together. So I'm going to show you how the VA does this. So, and you can do it too. This is a great way for you to check your award letter, just to make sure that the VA's got it right. So the easiest way to describe this is you're going to make 3 columns, okay? So in the first column, these are all the percentages that are assigned to the veteran. They're not in the order that they were assigned. So, if we have a 50%, and a 30%, and a 30%, and a 20%, and a 10%. This 20% may have been the very first thing that was service connected. And this may be the most recent, or the least recent. So these aren't in order of when they were assigned, they're in order of greatest to least. Then we have the person, so this is gonna start out as 100%. And then this is the column where we're gonna put all the things that we get from doing VA math. So the first one is 50% of 100. This becomes 50%. And if you give me just a second, I will do the math for you while I'm showing you. So we've got 50% remaining. This is 15%. And this is 35%. This is 10%. And this is 24%. And for the purposes of this, I'm not using decimals. So this would normally be 24.5%, but for the purposes of this video, we're just going to use non-decimal percentages. This becomes 4%. And this is 19%. And this is 1%. And this is 17%. Okay, so now we've done the math part. Then the VA comes over here and they add these together. this is 80%. Surprisingly, right on the money. So if, let's say this was 79%, when we add this together, then the VA would round that up to 80%. Let's say that this was 84% after we added this up, the VA would round it down to 80%. So this is the way the VA comes up with this combined percentage. Yes, it's math, but it's not math like you might think that it's math. This isn't designed to be an all-inclusive answer for your questions. It's designed just to kind of like talk about commonly asked, how did I get 80% when I add this together it says it's 110. VA math is one of those things that, unless you understand how the VA does it, it seems a bit puzzling. As always, we would encourage you to, if you have questions, and please feel free, give us a call. We'd love to help you. If you're not from our area, please get a hold of your local service officer. That's what we do, is we're here to help. Answer your questions, help you file claims, figure out what your benefits are. But I just wanted to go over what VA math is. So thank you so much. I appreciate you taking the time to watch my video. And, we'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much.